Hello! Great to have you back here on Sooinfused. Today's drink is coming all the way from Mexico. We're going to be using tequila. So guess what? I'm going to call this drink Mango Chilli, which means under the mango tree in a can. All you're going to be needing is your mango with a bit of chili, where we're going to blend them together, sugar syrup, lime juice, and of course, tequila. Whenever you're ready, take your time, get your ingredients, and let's do this. For the mango and chili puree, we're going to blend 1 whole mango and 1 bird's eye chili with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of water. Make sure the mixture is fine puree with no chunks left. In a Boston glass full of ice, we're going to mix together 50 ml of mango and chili puree, 25 ml of lime juice, and 40 ml of tequila, that's blanco preferably. Serve in an old-fashioned glass over ice, garnish with a mango peel and a lime wheel. Enjoy the breeze with Mango Chilli. Tequila! Action. Hello. Hello, great to have you back on Sooinfused. Today's drink is coming all the way from Tequila. That translates to my Ghanaian dialect. We have some mangoes, lemons, and also tequila as the base. This is to all my tequila lovers.
It's lime, no?
That's it, no?